KOKKINA FEGARIA motorcycle rock show.
The sun is shining. I feel the heat in my face. Okay, the heat is not so much today, but the sun is shining. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the end of 2022 and we are going to the 2023. I don't know how many years we are on the air. I know that the rock show started from 1996 and I think that we do our first video at 2004. I think, I'm not sure. Huh?
I would say 2005.
Who cares anyway? This is a New Year day and we are together. I don't know, 400 videos, 500 videos, something like this, and we are still together. And I am happy. I am happy because I'm doing something that I always want to do, and you give me the opportunity to do it, and that's why I love you, and that's why I will continue to try to do it in the best way that I can. And what is the best way for me? The best way for me is to do something that is reliable and trustful and funny. Those three things are the best things that I can think that I can put inside my video. This is one of the places that we love more than everything to be, and also to film motorcycles. I think that the first motorcycle that we bring here was at Ducati Multistrada 1000 DC.
Yes.
And now, last week, we filmed, not here, somewhere else, Ducati Multistrada V4. And the latest bike that we bring here was at a sim. Yes, a sim.
Yes.
So it's a lovely place that we like to be. We are all the summer here, and even now that is the end of the year, it's still lovely.
Yes, we love
Georgia, you are probably the woman who have ride the most motorcycles than any other woman over the world. How you feel about it?
I don't know, but I have the proof. I have the videos.
You have the
Maybe
proof, you
someone
have the
else
videos.
better than me.
Which one do you think that was the worst bike that you ever ride?
I don't consider them worse and good.
So, let's say
it's a nice experience for me.
Let's put it in a different way. Which one was the hardest motorcycle to ride?
Hardest to start was the Norton Commando 800.
And hardest to ride Harley Davidson WLA?
Oh no.
I have to remind you some things. So, and what was it the best? Which bike you enjoy more than any?
All bikes are the best, but I like dirt bikes. Dirty bikes.
Which one you enjoy more?
The Husqvarna and the KTM, both of them.
The KTM, the Husqvarna 350, the 4-stroke?
Yes.
Okay. So, anyway, it's nice. You see, our life is rolling through motorcycles. Amazing. I love it. In one of my first interviews that I take from a rock star, doesn't matter who, a big rock star, I asked him at the end of the interview, why you, a so big rock star, we're speaking now for one of the 10 biggest names in the rock and roll, and I asked him why you give interview to me that I am a guy from a local radio rock show that called it KOKKINA FEGARIA. And the guy answered to me, hey man, I love you. I am existing because you are existing. Without you, I am nothing. So the same thing that I'm going to tell to you now. I love all of you. Without you, I am nothing. I am existing because you. Georgia.
So you are a major rock star. 10 from the time in the world.
Yes, I don't know. I'm not in that level, of course, but I am, let's say, a star in motorcycles.
Yes, I love it. Thank you very much for watching us and have a great new year, a lovely new year with many motorcycle rides.
Αγοράκι είναι, δεν το βλέπεις. What can I say? From here, Chania, that is in the island of Creta, that is in the country of Greece, I wish you the best for the new year. Αδέρφια, να είσαστε όλοι καλά, να ζείτε σαν να μην υπάρχει αύριο και να έχετε απλά στο μυαλό σας μια υποψία, αυτό το ίσως να υπάρχει αύριο, να το κρατήσουμε το δυνατόν παραπάνω. Να είσαστε καλά. Τα λέμε στους δρόμους.
Ευχαριστούμε πολύ.
Ευχαριστούμε τα μάλα. Να είσαι καλά ρε Σάβα.
Θα το φορέσει στην παρουσίαση.
Θα το φορέσω στην παρουσίαση, βέβαια. Θα κλείσουμε το βίντεο και με τη Γεωργία που και αυτή έβαλε την μπλούζα τη Moto Guzzi. Είμαστε πολύ κουτσίστες σήμερα. Έτσι.
Να πω, να σας ότι εμένα είναι και πιο ωραία.
Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ.
Enjoy that.
Είμαι ευτυχισμένος. So, this is Georgia and Ioannis for KOKKINA FEGARIA Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
KOKKINA FEGARIA Motorcycle Rock Show.
The tank is in perfect condition.